Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Calcium requirement. Calcium requirement in premenopausal females is 1000 milligrams per day and calcium requirement in postmenopausal females is 1200 milligrams per day. Vitamin D requirement. Vitamin D requirement in premenopausal females is 600 international units that equal to 15 micrograms per day and vitamin D requirement in postmenopausal females is 800 international units or 20 micrograms per day. But if female already has deficiency, then we can give 1000 to 2000 international units.
thank you and thank you for watching.